At a function on 11th December 2020, the MLA of Sora constituency, Gavin M. Malim, after laying the foundation for the improvement and metallic topping of the internal road at Lalingkot, which is to be constructed at a total sanction of Rs 2.70 crores, said that this would cover an area of around 3.367 kilometers. However, he also stated that the Umtangar-Sora road that was supposed to be repaired has not been allotted any sanction as claimed by the MDC from Sora, Shri Titos Khan. He also urged upon the representatives of the area to have a vision for the upliftment of the people in the area.
Executive Engineer Jaga Bypass Division Bayagani Kasurok Layo Sanction Lingba State Scheme Kaban Cover Kumba Light Kilometer Laispa Dripinyo Bargaju Po Kaban Layo Yaga Sanction among Kaba Akulur Nyoko Abangi Pek Yakini Gisurok Nio shisha ba khamtam hagni isni ki por komenta kadno kilarong kibadan kam nio ansiang romno namar ba kumangyo khamtam shangni ka than ka jong habingi pek ya ka jing theng kali hante solan lai don kam palat but penni ya gine ki link roads shagi bentai ko phebo phe Nang banpinduna yaka jinteng kali hante asora. Apor bangi asengi dishnang bopher ni habdan yakata planning. Khnang bangi hagjing roy step hagjing kio hagjing don jo kiprio jingkio jo population niyo khamtam higi benta jo ga sawla tane habangi pe khasol shelong ro niyo isurok kinangre Bagi yang kinang tur harun jong kisura. Dan kam ya kaplanik mangisod ko kumbalo menta khamtam hote sol shelong. Omdana dolen tiso da komoy pat desatan banpen bon ya ki ding roads khnang banpen duna ya kajinteng kali. Nrai kaba khamdan kam kalong baka ktai ka prestige chok state ka jong amar bon ba kinong wan jong kai nakaleng sodong joko perdai. Hereng ashukwa ban pencet shapi bahadu ini ski ki por bamenta kani ka file habai de ban renovate lane ban improve ya kani Umtangar Sora road hadu ini ski por bamenta ka badan lai poi kilometer kadang yan henen kadang kali kadang sakut ha planning te hadu ini ski por bamenta ngimpat sim ayo ya ka sanction Henry kumbagalong ni hadu menta nyimpat simlayo ka sanction reng yo hakini gi altayo bladap nakaliang jong MDC Sora lami isyak mat ban penbana bai kani surok ladap ban yo sanction te kay ga bang akwa ban ong hakani ka por ka pementa kalong ba nakaliang ka jonga hi simet barnganget kemru nakaliang jong gi paiba kidon ya kata ka jing angnur kaju ka jingkerman kaju badangla sya banya cha ka kam syakmat Shua banjang dangla shabaya ka kam syakmat shua ya ka kdir